to talk about priority. Just with columns, you can make someone look at something before something else because you're the orchestrator, you're the mixing engineer. So if you look here, this is the 3-column grid, and this image takes up 2 of the columns, 2/3, right? Now, if I'm talking about a food delivery service, I want them to see all the detail of that food, right? I want them seeing the leaves and just make it look absolutely delicious. So my eye immediately goes here, right? It's very hard for me to look over exquisite dining when I have this beautiful, I think it's, I don't know what, a risotto mushroom, something like it looks really good, right? So it's impossible to ignore because it's taken up 2/3 of the grid. Now, if I go here and this takes up 2/3 of the grid, what am I looking at here? I'm looking at the text. I'm looking at exquisite dining. I'm not looking over at this. So in this case, the image is not as important, and the importance now and the priority goes here. Priority here goes here, just with shifting columns around. It's very easy to do once you have the grid set up. But again, goes back to what I said about messaging. What is the goal of this slide? If the goal of this slide is to get them to read over here, great. If the goal of the slide is to understand the emotional and the texture of the food, then this is what you'd want to do here, just by using a grid and layout.